my name is Julian Johnston. Welcome to 420 West Rivo Alto Drive, Miami Beach. Located on Rivo Alto, which is the most coveted of the Venetian Islands. Today, we're going to look at over 7,600 square feet of luxurious living with 7 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, and a spectacular office overlooking Miami Beach. Outdoor living is where it's at. From the spectacular infinity edge pool with glass tile, telescopic sliding doors with indoor-outdoor living, beautiful summer kitchen with covered dining area, Ipe wood deck, and 105 feet on waterfront. This is the best place for you to enjoy the Miami lifestyle.